One of the things that I believe should be part of this channel, and the reason why I'm doing it, is to actually talk about your mistakes, or my mistakes in this instance, in order to assist you guys with learning from my mistakes, so that we don't both have to make them. I'll do it and then you can learn from it. My name is Christo, from All Things Prepping. And this morning I just want to share with you a very embarrassing moment yesterday that happened to me. So I'm staying in Alberton or Brackenhurst, and I'm working in Vereeniging, which means that I travel roughly 40 k's in and out each, so it's about 80 k's a day. With the tank capacity on the bike, I have to fill up every third, maybe fourth day, depending on the situation. Now I filled up last week, Thursday, Friday, and then on Monday, having to fill up on Tuesday again. For some reason, I remembered on yesterday morning or the day before, I remembered to fill up, but unfortunately, remembering it and doing it is two different things. I did forget to fill up. When I arrived here at work, I realized that I had a problem and that I needed to fill up during the day, but once again I forgot. Yeah, so the recipe was set for a perfect disaster. Yesterday on my way home, embarrassingly enough, I got stuck without petrol. Fortunately it did work out well. What I did is, immediately when I realized that I had a problem, I phoned my wife, Elma. Elma then came to my rescue with 2 liters of petrol, which we filled up with, and I managed to get home. But to culminate the problem is that I parked in such a way that I could defend myself, and by using my pepper spray. And that's when I realized that my pepper spray was also not in a good working condition. So two things came out in one day, and that's the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to say to you guys that there's certain plans that you've got in place for a reason. Stick to them. Don't forget to fill up when you're supposed to fill up, and also check your equipment on a regular basis to make sure that your equipment is in good working order. Had I to defend myself yesterday with that pepper spray, it would have been a problem. So that's the purpose of this video, is to tell you to make sure that you keep you've got plans in place. Keep to those plans and those systems, because it's there for a reason, and make sure your equipment is right. Yeah, so with the red phase, I have to admit that I did not listen to my own plans and measures that I put in place to ensure that I get home and back safely. So yeah, it was a bit of an embarrassment, and the fact that my equipment was not working is also not one of my proudest moments. But yeah, that's life. The fact of the matter is that fortunately we did manage to get a plan B in place between myself and Elma, and yeah, she managed to rescue me. So just a shout out to her. Thank you for coming to rescue me. Yeah guys, think on your feet. If you're in a difficult situation, immediately think of what you can do and how to resolve that issues, because at the end of the day, it's your safety and your life that depends on it. So make sure that your plans are in place, keep to your plans, and make sure that your equipment is working. With that being said, thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great day, because I'm planning to. I think I've had my full of bad luck for a while now. So yes, let's go on and get into prepping. Get your stuff ready and keep it ready. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.